Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create My Telenor account. This is how to create the Telenor profile. So first we're going to go to the app. So next you can click on start or you can use it as a guest. So let's see how we use it as a guest. So as you can see, this is the guest page. It has different offers. You guys could see its features. So that when you create the actual account, it's more or less the same. So if you want to click on anything here, you guys should create an account since it won't be available here. So when you go to the account settings, it suggests us create an account. So we're going to click on start. So you guys are going to insert your mobile number here. Since it works in Pakistan only, you guys should enter your Pakistan phone number. Then once you write it, you're going to click on sign in. Then they're going to send you a code. So once you enter the code and verify, your account will be created. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.